Gates open that up and racing Ideal View. Forest All final judgment now moves up to take the lead. Then followed by Forest All. Reyes Gold now racing in third. Madame Leonora comes next. Moving up is Strong Boy, Lucky Lorky, and Be Cool. Now running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 800. Final judgment. Highballing in front by about 4 lengths. Forest All in second and racing in third. Reyes Gold. Ideal View comes next is Strong Boy, Madame Leonora, Lucky Lorky, and Be Cool as they rounded the last 450. Final judgment, still leading the field by about a length and a half. Forest All running in second, racing in third is Reyes Gold, Ideal View as they turn for home. Final judgment, still leading the field. Forest All remains in second, Reyes Gold, then Strong Boy by the rail with 150 to go. Final judgment. Back to a length and a half lead. Running in second is Forest All, Reyes Gold. And finally, final judgment. Forest All, Reyes Gold. Then comes Ideal View close between Strong Boy and Lucky Lorky.
Okay, 2-3-1-8 ang ating unofficial order of arrival crossing the wire first. Yung Nalyaman